screen?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I got it, but yeah, what I thought would happen happened. So it will print the lowercase and then the uppercase. I need it to mix.
If you need it to mix, then you have to create a method, a different method that can keep calling one character from lowercase, one character from the uppercase, and then you start mixing them together.
Oh. Hmm.
But it is possible. At the end of the day, yes, this is required because it's required, but it is outside the scope of the exercise at the moment.
Oh, okay.
So you can do it. I would recommend, if you want to become a strong programmer, you should try to do it, but outside the class, so that I can give
Okay.
you also something new today. Now, I just want you to make a method that can. So now you are able to get a method to create lowercase and uppercase. What about the
Yeah, so
digits and the
yeah.
punctuation?
First let me use. Oh no, take this.
But actually, you have done something that need revising. What is the length of the password that you already actually generated?
10. Oh. Oh, but it becomes 20 here.
So it means that we need to do some trick here inside this function.
Right.
What could be
So
the trick?
technically, the easier thing to do is just length divide 2, right?
It's true,
It's
but
a simple. But then if I
if it
get
is 9, then what you're
yeah,
going to do?
yeah.
What is the way to know if the number that you are giving is an odd number or an even number? There is a way. Am I right?
Yeah.
What is that?
I forgot already the I remember we did it. Well, there was one command that I forgot already.
Do you still remember the remainder?
Right, that's the one. Okay. But then, okay. Even if I do that, how will I get it for the odd number?
And not so difficult.
Okay, so I should do first if length remainder 0, right? But that will give me an error, right?
Do you need to check with 0 or you need to check with 2 if it is equal 0?
Yeah, if it is equal 0 means it's even.
Yes.
Yeah, so if it is equal 0.
So you have to say length remainder 2 equal 0 or not. If it is even, you can divide the length like that.
Yeah, I see. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, that's what. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but then what if it is an odd? Then what you do?
Yeah, that's what. Because here I can do this. Then here, else if. Actually, just else. Okay. Yeah, then what do I do? Because I can't divide it by 2.
Okay.
Or technically,
Mhm.
I can
you
divide,
can find, you can,
but
I mean, nobody asks you that we want the half to be lowercase and the other one is uppercase. You can mix whatever
yeah,
and it should work.
because if I divide 9 by 2, I'll get 4 and 4, right? So,
No, who said you get 3.5, but because it's an integer division, so it will be 4 and 4. Yes, true. It's 4 and a
yeah,
half. Yes, 4 and 4. So you need to add 1.
so
Yes,
all I
you're
need
correct.
to is just, yeah, like this should
Yes,
be
you're
okay,
correct.
right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now, I add this here. Oh, wait, let me try first. Oh, what happened?
Hmm.
How come? Is it because it's in an if statement?
Yes. That's why
So,
outside it cannot be known.
so I
So
need
actually,
to,
the correct way, to be frank, I don't want to
yeah,
confuse you, but okay, never mind. Just you continue, because a lot of
okay.
things that you have discovered today. So it's okay. I don't want to confuse you.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
okay. I see.
Why is no work?
There you go. Okay, so now it should be, yeah, that's 10. And if I make it 9, yeah, okay.
It works.
Yeah,
Did you count them?
yeah.
Okay.
Ah, 40, 40. So one bracket I'm missing. Oh yeah, what am I doing? Very good. So if I do 2, and then I do 7. Okay. Now,
I just want to see you doing only 2 things, and then the remaining you still can do later, which is digits.
yeah,
Make me a method to generate digits and make a method to generate punctuation.
it's then from here. Okay. So for digits, I technically can use math random, right? But I can also just use this 48 to 57.
Yes, because you have to. It's a. You cannot generate integers. You need to generate them as a characters,
Yeah.
and you need to concatenate them.
So technically this should
work. Yes, but you
work.
have to
So
arrange only the range. The range is correct according to the slide that I sent.
yeah,
Okay.
I changed the range already.
Okay. Then you try to.
So I need random it digits digit count digits and digit count digits digits. Uh, everything should be okay. Okay, try. Oh, wait. Yeah, okay. Mm,
Um, so it worked.
yeah.
Okay. Yes, and this one. Yeah.
Okay.
I just want you to notice one thing, please. Can you go to the exercise text? He is telling you there is two characters that you should not include when you are generating
Oh,
the punctuation.
where is that? Wait, let me open it up. Oh, so I continue from 48, is it? Do not
Wait.
use the first
Uh,
range of
he,
punctuation.
he is telling. Let me check the text again. What he's saying here. So he is saying here that from 33 until 47. So
To use.
don't
Oh,
use
do
the
not
first.
use. Yeah, do
Yes,
not use. So, okay, so I go 48 to
yes.
64. Oh, I got it. Okay. Actually, it'd be easier for this if I just put random choice 2.
Okay, fine.
Because if I then how long will my thing be? if I'm adding lower and upper and digit. Yeah. Oh, where is it? Yeah. Then this is I should put choice one. Okay. This would be
So I would say that if you do random choice 3 is getting lowercase and uppercase, and you already done it in a random choice 2. So it means that if you
yeah.
call random choice 2, it will get you two how to say the lowercase and uppercase, and you are left remaining to get the digits.
Yeah.
But
So I'll just do like I should call instead of doing this. Right. So here I should call random choice 2. But okay, random choice 2, random choice 2, then plus.
mhm.
Then I call digits. Then that, that. And then so if it's like that means if A, will this work out?
Because now we have 3 portions, but you also
Yeah,
have to understand that typically when we generate a password, we don't want the characters to be the digits to be actually most of the password. We want only to
yeah,
generate okay, let me do it this way, huh?
yeah.
You can divide by 3 each one of them, or you have a choice of making the digits 2 out of the length, and the remaining goes to, so you generate only 2 digits out of the password length, and then the remaining goes to generating lowercase and uppercase. You can do that, or you can even do 1 digit, but it's okay, 2 or 3 should be fine. You
So
have a
you want
minimum
me
of
to
6.
just
Just write fix 2. Write it 2. The length is 2. Yes, here 2. Put 2 exactly. Yes.
okay?
So you don't even need to do this check,
So
because
but yeah, I just minus 2.
exactly, yes.
Then yeah, I don't need this. This is yeah. So that's it.
Yes, that's it. And if you are if you want to be more professional, I would say just call 1 digit before. So it means that if you have a password, you can have 1 digit here, and then you come up with creating your lowercase plus uppercase here, and then another digit. So this is also one of the way, instead of creating the 2 digits at the end, then it will be, you know, so you can just randomly generate 1 digit here, 1 digit here, and instead of, yeah.
Why is this now
Mhm.
an error?
Random
Previous
lowercase. Mhm.
code is now. Oh, because I changed this and I didn't. Okay. I changed this to choice one. Yeah, I should have left it. Never mind. Okay. If I do 3, if I do 10, there you go. Okay. Now copy this choice 4.
Mhm.
So I need to use. Normally, do you same like with the digits, right? For the punctuation, you only want like 2.
You only, yes, you can also put 2. And then you can use what you have done here. So this is done for you, right? You need to only
Yeah.
generate the punctuation and add it to whatever returned by the random choice, right?
Yeah.
So you can also put two punctuation. You generate one here at the end, and then whatever randomly generated from choice 3 will just come in the middle.
Yeah, but I do need to have this because I need it to -4 now instead of -2, right?
Yes, definitely.
So instead of including like instead of calling this here, I can just do it again.
It's up to you. It's your choice.
Easier. So like that. And then like that. I just want this to be 1 plus 1. That should work, right? So now I make everything 4, 4, 4, 4. Any errors? No. Okay. Now I bring this. Okay. Okay, it works. Oh, wait.
Great.
Wait.
We are not generating. Can you
I thought I
confirm
put
again?
punctuation
Punctuation 1.
punctuation 1. How come it didn't?
Try to print whatever you generate in punctuation to make sure that we are doing the.
Unless, yeah, it's my punctuation. Oh, yeah. My punctuation, it's a number. No, it's not. Wait, how come?
Let us check the
Let me see.
64. I want to confirm that
Yeah, 33 to 64. Yeah, then so 48 to
60,
64. Okay.
64 is actually.
Oh, we want it to be 58 to 64 actually, because 48 to 57 is the digits. That's why.
Yes, you are
So
correct.
58. So now it should work. Run again. So 4 and there you go. Okay.
Now it works.
Um, yeah, now it works. Okay, perfect.
Okay, that's great. Good job. Really, good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Now let me try to get you something new, please, today.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So let's have a look here. Okay, can you still remember what we have done? Let me see. Okay, with the classes. So I know it's a heavy topic. I understand it, but believe me, just give it 2 more lessons and it will be still digestible to you. Okay. So
Yeah. Okay.
do you still remember that this is exactly the same name like this? Okay. Remember, there is no return type. If you put a return type, this will change the whole purpose of this. This, we call it constructor. It's only called one time. And the main purpose of the constructor is that you initialize these two. Here, you did not initialize the variables. You just tell, I want integer as a private and a variable called ID and a name. You did not put anything inside. Inside the constructors, the main purpose is to give values to this, to initialize these two variables. Okay, so you're giving here I, storing it in ID, n in name. Okay, so how this is giving, or how this is called, how the constructor is called, we call new, we create a variable s1. This s1 is of type student. Okay, it's not integer, it's not string. And then we call the constructor. How we call it? This is the way we call the constructor. We give it 2 parameters, 2 inputs. One is an arithmetic or a number, and one is a string. And the same goes here. This is based on the definition. If you didn't give exactly the same like that, it will give you an error. So how we call the second student? So it means that I'm able to create many variables for different students with different values without having to create 2 new IDs and names. So I can create a class of 30 students just by replicating these lines, not by creating 30 variable of type ID and 30 variable of type name, and then have to listing them all over the place. That would take a long space. Does this make sense, or still not digestible? Little bit.
A bit lah, a bit.
Okay. Okay, have a look, please, at this. And I also want you, I think in the previous class we created, did we create the class student in your code?
We created in the previous class, we created that
Or
no, we did the sprite. Yeah, we did sprite player 1, player 2.
So, oh, okay. Yeah, good. Okay. Okay, then after I just explain this, I would like you to write this student class. The more you write, the more things will get more digestible. So please note that we are allowed to create many constructors, but they must differ in the number of parameters that they take. Here, this is a constructor that is taking 2 parameters, and this is a constructor that take only one string or one parameter. Okay, so look at here, please. So if I don't initialize I, which is the ID of the students, so I need a way to generate it. So he just generated randomly, and then he assigns the name of the student in this way. Okay, so do you mind if you write that student class, please, in a separate file? Can you still remember when we do this sprite?
Yeah, I think so. So I need to create a new
file.
Yeah. Okay.
Exactly same that you have done with the sprite.
Now what's the name of it? Student.
Yes. You can replicate the file that is called sprite, and then you start changing the name.
Oh, okay.
Or duplicate it. There is option to right click and duplicate file.
Yeah, done.
The main reason that we need to put the effort and learn about this difficult topic, which is writing classes, is, again, as I told you, reusability. So
Yeah,
imagine yourself writing a code for a school to record information about students, and then later on, you, as a software programmer, they ask you to create a competition for a student, or even to write a project for university or students in university. So after you create the project for students in the school, you can take the class that you already created for the school for the students in the school and reuse it in the project for the students in university. The student class here and there might be slightly different because the way students study in the school is slightly different from the university, and the need for different subjects and GPA and so on might be slightly different in university, and the number of years also in university is somehow differs from the school, but in general you will be able to actually reuse like 80% of the code that you have written before.
yeah.
So that's why you just copy the class file that you created for the project of the student in the school and reuse it again. That's one of the main purposes. So how far you have done in rewriting the code?
I'm at the ID integer 900,
Okay,
second last line.
excellent. Is it
Okay.
done? Okay.
Yeah.
So I want you to go to the main and start to actually create two variables, S1 and S2, same like this slide.
Okay,
One will call student with 2 parameters, one will call student with 1 parameter.
In the main.
Yes, in the main.
Okay. This is a method.
No, that is not a method.
No.
This is just variable.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
it should not be outside main.
Public static. Oh no, all that I need to put. Okay. So I just continue from the student. Okay. Student S1. Okay, done.
Okay, can you run?
Yeah. Okay. Run. Oh, I need to
Any error?
comment my. No, I need to comment the earlier work. Okay. Okay. I run with no error, but nothing printed obviously.
Okay, good. So you come here, please, in the previous slide. Yeah, okay. This previous slide, can you please write a print statement here that say constructor called, so that you print a string that say constructor called with 2 parameters. Constructor called with 2 parameters. And then you write another print statement here, constructor called with 1 parameter.
Constructor. So
Called,
constructor space call and then
yes,
2 brackets.
with 1 parameter.
Oh, I type it out. Okay.
Or here you can say 2 parameters. So 1 print statement here, 2nd print statement here.
So with 1, so I just type it out.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I don't know if it's working. Then semicolon at the end.
Yes. Just a normal print
Okay.
statement.
Oh, print statement. Okay. Okay, so I just write constructor called with 1 parameter and then copy and paste it. Okay, done. Let me to print again.
Run,
Again.
please. Yes.
Okay, yeah, I just printed both the statement.
So which one was printed first?
Oh, let me make this 2 then. Okay, make that 2. Keep that 1. Okay. The top one was printed first, then the bottom one.
So if you reverse these 2 statements, so if you bring this line here.
Okay.
What is the effect of running?
It will be the opposite. Okay, run. Error. Oh, I didn't add this colon. Okay. Yeah, then now it prints 2 first, then 1.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, you know which line calls which print statement to be printed out on the screen, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Now I would like to highlight to you there is 2 misconceptions that can create bugs when we are creating constructors inside the class. Don't ever add int and string before the ID and the name. Can you still remember when you write the code just now? Here, inside here, there is no, you don't define the ID and name. It's already defined here up.
Yeah.
You just do the assignment. So, but if you put integer and string, that will create 2 new variables, which is ID and name that is only local to here. Once you go out from that line, these 2 is gone because they are local variables. They are not known outside this constructor or method.